Okay, we want to go ahead to check out storing your crypto, especially Bitcoin, on soft copies. Okay, we've talked about the hard copy, and right now is the soft copy. There are a couple of applications you can use here on Play Store, Apple Store, if you are using Apple phone. Now, you go to search for Exodus wallet. That is the one that I recommend. Okay, you install Exodus wallet. Exodus wallet has a lot of crypto you can actually store. Remember, it's stored here. Disadvantage of any of this soft copy is that their platform can be hacked, and you lost everything with other people. That is the disadvantage. So if you have a plan of keeping your Bitcoin and other crypto for a long time, I suggest you get the hardware and keep for yourself. Okay, then we are also going to check out the exchanges where you can keep your own if you want short plan purposes. Okay, for now you can store your crypto on this kind of app, temporal and monitoring. The disadvantage is that you can lose at any time if they shut down or anything happen to the application. Okay, nothing is guaranteed online, so you have to be very careful with your own self. You just need to be very careful for yourself. Okay, so you come in here and get started with the system. Skip all this. You can, okay, so you can see different kind of wallet. Many, you can add as many as these are cryptocurrencies. So each of these you can add for yourself. Okay, and there is nothing right now for me. Okay, so nothing for me right now. This is the current price. Okay, add Bitcoin private key, multiple addresses, increase your privacy. These things are very important. You can select them and secure your addresses very well. So you take your time to secure your address. I think we'll talk about more of that in lesson of protecting your Bitcoin from scammers. Okay, but right now Exodus has a lot. You can receive, you can search from here. Okay, you can do a lot. You can do a lot. They have a lot of cryptocurrency you can own and store in this place. As a matter of fact, they have 164 cryptocurrencies you can have for yourself in this place. Okay, so this is where you can come. So each of them, if you want to receive, you just tap on the icon. Okay, if you want to like Bitcoin, you tap on the icon, you say receive. This is your Bitcoin address here. Okay, that's your Bitcoin address. You can easily send it to anywhere to receive your money. That is how you can share it. Click on share and share it. That is how to do this. Okay, that's how to receive your Bitcoin. And I kept it. All the Bitcoin, if you use this address, all the Bitcoin you get is going to be stored here. So if you intend to sell, you will need use an exchange platform to receive, which is the one I recommend. Okay, for me, I sell, I do turnover, things like that. Okay, so this is what you need to do if you intend to keep it for longer time. But disadvantage is that anything can happen to them. You are not going to hold them responsible, and you can lose your crypto on this place. That is the risk everybody faces, not just only us. Everybody in the world, that is what we face. They are not responsible. So, but while they are trying, you need to be very careful. Okay, so I recommend best option is to buy a hardware and keep your Bitcoin outside the internet. That is my recommendation. Okay, so we have seen how to store your Bitcoin. Okay, in the next lesson, we are going to check out how to sell your Bitcoin without CBN knowing it.